Here's how you can make tank master in Gacha Online. First off, we're going with shirt. Shirt 12,963. Pants 900 266. Sleeves 11,627. Belt 3,705. I don't even know what that's called, but okay. Real hair 9,600 and no 900 and 54. Yeah, that. Okay, shoes. Sorry. Shoe 400 and 255. And okay, you're not. Nope. I was about to say you guys are finished, but nope, you're not finished because I wasn't gonna forget about back hair. So back hair 1,200 and 490. Eyes 14. Eyebrows 44. Face AC1. Face AC1 2,572. Mouth 1,200 and 308. Alright, and you're finished now. So here's the color for hair. Here's the color for skin. Here's the color for shirt. Color for pants. Color for belt. Color for eyes. Pupils 999 and is black. Eyebrows, it's the same as the skin color. And you finish.